Yeah.
So for the most part, it's about finding these and sourcing these deals. And if you're completely like not connected to anybody who has this, I would encourage you to go to angel investor events. There are many of them across many different major cities. And if you're not in a major city, I would just move to one. Like that's the highest leverage thing you can do is move to places like LA, New York, Seattle, Austin, Texas, like these places that have high amount of deal flow, many different entrepreneurs, investors in them, and just get familiar with the scene and get to know people. And really, the most actionable thing I can tell you is there are many different industries at the moment that are experiencing high, like they're at escape velocities and bubbles are forming, but they probably won't pop for the next couple of years. So if you have any money and any deal flow, invest in AI companies, robotics companies, especially humanoid robotics companies, aerospace, defense, and a few other different sectors. Those are the highest leverage things you can do, especially at the leading companies in these sectors. Because my approach is that I don't invest in companies that are really early stage or like just very speculative. I invest in companies that are usually already at 9 to 10 or sometimes even 11-figure valuations, and they're usually poised to be the leaders in their sector or already leaders in their sector, because these only monotonically go up. So the reason why private markets is so profitable is because you can't lose if it's a good company. You get in at the valuation you get in on. Let's say it's at $2 billion valuation. And then if they raise another round of funding, if they're an AI, they usually raise it like 6 to 12 months, right? The valuation goes up at least maybe 2 times, if not a little bit more. And usually these companies, you can sell your shares in the secondary markets. You can off ramp these shares so that you're not bag holding, at any given time. If you're a fund investing in an early stage company, you can't just like sell your bags, very early. You have to kind of ride the company all the way to like and some exit events. But if you're a angel investor or part of a syndicate or SPV, you can off ramp or just sell those shares in the secondary markets. And there are many different avenues for this on Setter, on many different, family office sort of syndicates. You can sell your shares. And yeah, if it's liquid companies, this is the best path to it. So I think if you have anywhere from low to mid 6 figs, maybe even 7 figs, this is the best thing you can do at the moment with your money. Is if you made a lot of money in crypto, buy secondary or within the secondary markets or through like directly on the cap table, any of these private market companies, and you definitely won't regret it. Like I have like 80% of my net worth in private market companies at the moment, and they're all some of the leading companies. I mean, I invested in Figure AI, Apptronik, Anduril. I invested in Anthropic, like some of the leading AI companies. I invested in Firefly Aerospace, SpaceX. All these companies either have exit events or I can sell in the next round of funding. And I think that's the best thing you can do.